With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The given question says a table cover 4 meter into 2 meter is spread on a meeting table. If 25 centimeter of the table cover is hanging all around the table, find the cost of polishing the tabletop at rupees 2.25 per square meter. So in this question we are given the dimension of a table cover which is spread on the meeting table, and the question says that 25 centimeter of the table cover is hanging all around the table. So that means that the table cover dimension is 25 centimeter more in all the sides than the tabletop, you can say. So we have to find the cost of polishing the tabletop with the given rate, that is 2.25 per square meter. So for that, first we have to find the area for the tabletop, and then by finding area we can find the cost of the polishing that area. So what we have to do in this question, first we have to find the dimension of tabletop. So as we know that the dimension of table cover is given, that is 4 meter and 2 meter, and 25 centimeter of that table cover is hanging all around the table. So if we subtract twice the width of this 25 centimeter from the given dimensions, that is 4 meter and 2 meter, we can find the dimension of the tabletop. So what we'll do is we'll find the length of table top, that will be 4 meter minus twice of this width, that is 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. Now if you look at this is in centimeter and 4 is in meter. So first what we will do is we will convert this centimeter dimension into meter. For that the formula will be 1 centimeter equals to 1 divided by 100 meters. So for 25 centimeter that will be 25 divided by 100. So if we just solve this, we will get to 0.25 meters. So now the length will be let's denote the length by L. So that will be 4 meter minus, now we can write 0.25 meter plus 0.25 meter. So now if we just write them like this, 0.25 and 0.25 will be 0.5, and 4 minus 0.5 is 3.5 meter. So the length is 3.5 meter. Now similarly we can find the breadth of the tabletop. So the breadth of tabletop, let's say B, is equals to 2 minus, and as we have already converted 25 centimeter into meter, we can write 2 minus 0.25 plus 0.25. so that will be B equals to 2 minus 0.25 plus 0.25, that is 0.5. so 2 minus 0.5 will be 1.5 meter. So the length of the tabletop is 3.5 meter and breadth of the tabletop is 1.5 meter. Now area of tabletop, because we have to find the cost of polishing the tabletop, so for that we have to find the area. So the area of tabletop is length multiplied by breadth, and the length and breadth we have find to be 3.5 multiplied by 1.5. so 3.5 multiplied by 1.5 is 5.25 meter square, since these are the dimension in meters. So now that we have find the area, let's proceed to the cost of polishing that area. So the rate was for 1 meter square polishing cost rupees 2.25. So for 5.25 meter square, that is the area of tabletop, polishing costs 2.25 multiplied by 5.25 rupees. So that will be, if we multiply 2.25 and 5.25, that will be 11.8125 rupees. So we can say cost of polishing the tabletop is 11.8125 rupees, and this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.